Good day everybody, today we have HP Stream 11 blue. They come in different colors, but that's not the point. It's 11 inch. So we're going to be doing a disassembly. In order to do that, remove that rubber things that exposes the screws. There's about 3 on each, under each rubber bands. Remove all the screws, and that allows you to remove the bottom cover, or I would say, or more accurately say, the keyboard. Once you do that, open the lid and open it with the motions that I'm showing. With your thumb, push it in and pull out, sort of like a rotation with your hands. Give a bit of leverage. As soon as you see the crack, go around the keyboard and pry it open. Just be very careful that you just don't wonk it and remove it, because there's a lot of ribbon cables underneath it. You don't want to damage any clips, because that's a big pain. First of all, remove the keyboard ribbon cable by lifting up the clip, and then trackpad, and then the switch. That's the internal guts of the Stream 11 laptops. First of all, I'm going to remove the battery. In order to do that, there are a bunch of screws that's holding the bracket in place. But to remove the battery, you have to also remove the speakers, because the speaker is held on top of one of the battery's bracket. So in order to get access to the battery, you have to remove the speakers first. Disconnect the battery, lift up the speakers, disconnect the battery, the speaker connected to the motherboard. Lift them up. So that's your battery out of the way. Next, we're going to use a drill to save some time. This is your left side USB board. So remove that, and then now you're going to be removing motherboard. The motherboard has all the internal components, such as the SSD and RAM. Everything's internal. It's not upgradable. So if whatever size of SSD and RAM you have, you're pretty much stuck with that. In this case, 2 gig and 32 gig SSD. So 2 gig RAM, 32 gig SSD drive. There's also one hidden screws under the heatsink. This one is heatsink. You lift it up, and there's one hidden screws under that. Give it a sec. It's coming now. Here we go. That's it. By the way, there's no fan in this model. It's fanless. So because it's pretty weak, mainly used for browsing, sort of like a Chromebook, but you can install proper Windows 10 laptop. To remove the screen assembly, there's about 4 screws that you need to unscrew that, and then you can simply lift it up. That's it, guys. There's not much to it. It's pretty simple. That's your screen, that's your motherboard. This is USB board, heat jack board, your Wi-Fi card, your battery, your heatsink. And putting it back together is the same way as removing them in the first place. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections below. Otherwise, be safe, and yeah, cheers guys.